Okay, we are live. Guys, I got a package from Mudcon in the mail yesterday morning, and it came in. I hadn't had time to do an unboxing video. I've done the unboxing video 4 times today now, and every time, the first time OBS didn't record it, didn't save it for some reason. Second time, I started getting phone calls right in the middle of it. Third time, my kids walked in the middle of the video and started asking me questions. So this is like, yeah. Anyways, you guys know how it can be when you're trying to shoot a video and it's just interruption after interruption after interruption. But anyways, I'm sure that we'll get through it this time. So, and I've already taken everything out of the box. I tried to pretend like I had it back in the box, but I'm not gonna pretend. I'm not gonna be fake about it. Look, guys, Mudcon is awesome. He sent me the SB11 Spirit Box. This thing is really cool. Dual channel. It scans both channels at the same time, plays them both through the same speaker so that you could pick up more, well, you're going to pick up more noise, but you're going to pick up more spiritual activity. They have more choices to manipulate from, whether it be the AM band, which is or AM or FM band, which is amplitude modulation or frequency modulation. It has a temperature feature that lets you know whether the temperature changes in the room around you. It has a light on it. Mudcon actually did already put a battery in this thing, which is really cool. So we can kind of turn it on, go through some of the features. Sweep rate has multiple settings. Let's see. Volume, and the function where we can switch it back and forth from, we can put both channels on AM, both channels on FM, one channel on AM, one channel on FM, or vice versa. And so it's really neat. Got a flashlight in it. That's kind of cool. And really some neat features. I can't wait to get this thing out on a location. Now, this is the even cooler part. I never expected this from Mudcon. My brother actually sent me not one, but ba-bam, 2. These are floating Bluetooth speakers. Now I don't know how they float because there's some weight to them. I noticed when I got the box in the mail that it was heavy, a lot heavier than what a Spirit Box should be. And when I opened it up, these were in there. And this is awesome. These are waterproof, floating Bluetooth speakers, which you can plug an aux cable in, and he sent me all the cables and everything with them. And the reason he sent me 2, and I wasn't sure at first, I had to figure this one out. The reason he sent me 2 is on the SB11, it actually has 2 separate headphone jacks, one for each channel. So you can kind of separate the noise into like a stereophonic sound type thing if you wanted to. So that's a really neat feature. This is awesome, Mudcon. You are the man. Other features, it's got a built-in stand. It's got the grommet where you can hook it onto the tripod. All kinds of neat features. He sent me the the earbuds that go with it, the speakers, all the cables for the speakers, chargers for the speakers, all that stuff. Mudcon, you awesome, man. Guys, Mudcon is going to be my guest on EVPs tomorrow night, Every Voice Paranormal Stories, with your host, Brian's Paranormal, and myself, Ghost Mafia, on my channel tomorrow night at 10 p.m., and you can catch him there. And definitely, Mudcon, I have 2 SLS cameras. Well, they're not cameras. They are cameras, but they're not SLS cameras yet. They are the Xbox One Connect. I actually have 2 of them. I have them right here. I'm just waiting for the cables to come in. I just ordered them the other day. I ordered them off of Wish, and could take up to 6 weeks to get them, but I actually have 2 of these. I'm going to be building these up for SLS cameras and then testing them out after I download the software onto my computer for the digital mapping software for the ghost hunting SLS cameras. And when I get them both tested and both set up, I will be sending you one, my brother, and it's gonna be awesome. You're gonna love this. So this was like I said, this was my fourth or fifth attempt at doing this video, and hopefully it's gonna stick this time. No interruptions, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and now I can breathe a sigh of relief. I made it through it without any distractions. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you here tomorrow night for EVPs, Every Voice Paranormal Stories, with your host, Brian, Paranormal Ghost Mafia, and special guest, Mudcon. So thanks again, Mudcon. This was awesome. This was a lot more than what I even expected. It's going to be so lit when we do that penitentiary next month, and I'm going to have this equipment there with me. So thank you, brother. All right, guys. That being said, I'll catch you next time. Love you.